Hello and welcome back again to NFT Game Boost. For today's video, we'll talk about X Money. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and always do your own research before doing something in crypto, guys, because crypto has a risk. So without further ado, guys, let's get into it. This is the X Money website. They say that they have a first dual burning mechanism plus permanent 2% tax dividend plus unlimited airdrop address mechanism, guys. If you want to learn more about the tokenomics, they have a 100 million supply with a 65% of supply permanently burned, creating scarcity, guys. And they have a 35% pre-sale and LP entered black hole and permanently locked, guys. So tax mechanism will have WOKB rewards 2% and the burn mechanism will have a 1% and 0.1% on the airdrop addresses and 1% on the marketing side, guys. Okay, so this is their Twitter. You can follow their Twitter right here, guys. This is the address, I think. Okay, so TG right here. So the TG will has a 4,854 members right now and 581 followers on Twitter. So the ownership of the contract has been abandoned. LP already burned. Okay, so this is the contract address, I think, right here, guys. You want to copy here and put it on the swap, guys. Okay, like what I'm doing right now. Okay, let's see if we can put the token right here, guys. Okay, and paste it here. So this is the X Money. Just import it, okay, and understand. And right now, you can buy X Money with USDT, guys, using your MetaMask wallet. As simple as that. Okay, right here at the DEX view, you can see the token price right now. It's on 0.0033. And the 24 hours market, let's see right here, guys. The price has a 0.003. And the ATH and this is the 24 hours right here, guys. So 59.8%. 6 hours, negative 35.2%. 1 hour later is 3.5%, guys. So I think it's getting dumped right now, but it will go up again. I think right here. Okay, guys. You can wait right here and then it will go up again, guys. Okay. So look at the graph. You go right here, and then it will go up right here. Okay. I think that's the my graphical opinion, guys. Okay. So the X Money Coin Mooner. You can see the contact address right here, guys. Okay. So the X Money. And right here, they have the Telegram, Twitter, and the features of this one. They have a dual burning mechanism, 65% of token supply permanently burned, creating scarcity value to the moon, W dividend mechanism, and unlimited airdrop with the liquidity lock, guys. Okay. I think that's all about this X Money. They don't have any more information about their token, but you can see here that they are actively posting about their token. Okay, and right now, like I said, guys, okay, you see here that it goes up again, like what I suspectedly before. Okay, you can buy it here and then it will go up again. Okay, I think that's all about this token, guys, the X Money to the moon. Okay, if you want this video, please subscribe to my channel NFT Game Boost, and without further ado, bye bye, guys.